The hot forging of steel is a skill practiced for generations in the industrial West Midlands. United Forge Masters Limited is based in the very heart of the region and offers the combined expertise of 3 companies merged in 1985. Each boasts a tradition of more than a century in the production of high-quality drop forgings in carbon, alloy and stainless steels. The management of United Forge Masters is fully committed to the concept of total quality, and our Edge Forge was the first in the United Kingdom to gain registration under British Standard 5750. Our forge is capable of producing components ranging from just a few grams in weight up to a maximum of 60 kilograms. In addition, we have extensive general engineering and fabrication facilities. We offer products semi or fully finished according to the requirements of the customer. Customer commitment is paramount, and we believe that the combination of traditional skills with state-of-the-art technology results in product capability second to none. Dedicated computer systems enhance the effective use of management time and enable close control of all stages of manufacture, resulting in reliable customer and supplier contact. The concept of total quality reaches all aspects of our business, including on-time deliveries. Forging and forging die design is a specialist subject. We welcome the opportunity for our experienced technical staff to have input into new projects at the initial concept stage wherever possible. This can ensure optimum designs for cost-effective production. Ours is an extremely competitive industry, and accuracy at the initial estimating stage is critical to ensure maximum material yield and the most effective process routing. Full material traceability is guaranteed through our quality assurance systems and documentation. Our die shops are extremely versatile. Freehand die milling is a highly skilled trade, enabling the original dies to be produced from the die layout drawing. Electrode discharge machining is the most effective means of generating new steel dies from graphite masters, copied from the original. Millions of controlled sparks are created by the pulsing contact of the oppositely charged graphite and virgin die block. Graphite has the natural property of withstanding the extreme heat generated by the spark, and the steel die is consequently eroded until it takes the exact equivalent female shape of the male graphite pattern. Minimal polishing of the die impressions is required before the dies are ready for final dimensional examination. A plaster of Paris or lead cast is taken from the finished die, and full dimensional verification is carried out. Predetermined allowances are made to compensate for the contraction of the finished product after cooling. When the plaster or lead cast is approved, the dies are released to the forge for bulk production. Initial forgings are subjected to first-off examination. Only after satisfactory results are achieved at this stage can bulk production commence. The finished product and resultant flash or waste is weighed to enable a cross-reference with the original cost estimate. Material content is a major cost element and must be accurately controlled. When all the necessary checks are complete, bulk production commences. Within our forges, there is a range of hammers offering a wide product capability. Our comprehensive range of forging hammers have the capability of producing components in a weight range from just a few grams to 60 kilograms. Where the customer specifies, forgings are supplied descaled by means of shot blasting. The dimensional accuracy of the forged piece can be enhanced by means of cold coining. This process provides closely controlled tolerances for jig location in subsequent operations, and in many instances removes the need for expensive machining operations. Ultraviolet magnetic particle crack detection facilities are available for the close examination of designated control items, as well as any components to be used in a safety-critical application. Automotive steering and suspension components are typical examples of the need for this process. United Forgemasters offers a comprehensive range of engineering skills, complementing our forging capabilities and designed to add value. This facility includes drilling, turning, milling, welding and fabrication, hot and cold press work, flame cutting, flash butt welding and painting. Electronic eye multi-head flame cutting up to a maximum thickness of 150 millimeters is available. Orbital welding is particularly suited to specialist tubular fabrications. Another specialist process is that of flash butt welding. This process enables forged components to be welded safely to flame cut or standard roll shapes or sections, a more economical solution to the alternative of huge forgings with excessive waste. Electrostatic or conventional painting finishes the product to a high standard, or alternatively, we can supply products with a variety of plated finishes. Within United Forgemasters is a complete range of forging and engineering technology and expertise. We can design, forge and finish components up to 60 kilos with accuracy and efficiency. With our commitment to total quality, on-time deliveries are assured. Major companies within the construction, mining, tractor, automotive and agricultural industries are among our client portfolio. All demand the consistent high-quality standards and the cost-effective service for which United Forgemasters Limited is renowned. Our situation at the heart of the UK motorway network enables efficient distribution direct to your door. United Forgemasters, the complete solution. Simply call us now on 0384 66151 or fax 0384 633 993. The forging of steel is a skill practiced for generations in the West Midlands. United Forgemasters Limited is based in the very heart of the region and has a tradition of more than a century in the production of high-quality drop forgings. In recent years, it has built upon the experience gained in the post-war period when it employed the drop forging process in the design and manufacture of scaffold fittings. Today, the Edge range of forged fittings is acknowledged as the market leader. Safety and consistent quality standards are a prerequisite of the construction industry. Quality assurance is designed into our products. Our management systems are such that the Edge Forge was the very first in the United Kingdom to gain registration under British Standard 5750. Our in-house facilities not only enable us to monitor product performance, but are essential for a greater understanding of the engineering principles involved in application and when reviewing and developing new product designs. Working from our die layout drawings, precision close forging dies and ancillary tooling are produced with a combination of traditional skills and state-of-the-art technology. The steel die is being produced by electro-discharge machining, an electric current passing from the opposite charge graphite master above to the die block below. Millions of sparks are generated, which erode the steel to create a perfect impression of the graphite master shape. Published quality assurance procedures are followed throughout the manufacturing process. Before the finished dies can be released to the forge shops, a plaster of Paris or lead cast is taken from each finisher impression to check its total conformance to the original product drawing. Once the die has been passed, and before bulk production commences, a first-off forging check procedure is conducted. A sample component is again checked against the original drawing. Only at this stage can bulk production commence. Routine operator control is standard practice throughout the production cycle. This ensures that under the rigours of the forging hammer, only product conforming to specification is produced. T-bolts, fork bolts, eye bolts and rivets are produced in-house in our cold heading shop. The forged components, together with heat-treated and fully plated fasteners, are transferred to our assembly shop, where the Kawasaki cell production technique is employed. After drilling the forgings, assembly involves the insertion of rivets. These are spun to give a finish almost indistinguishable from the original cold-formed head, and ensuring that the rivet can never work free. Bolts are peened at the end, spoiling the last thread as a means of retaining the nut and washer for safety on site. The forging process enables the grain flow of the steel to follow the stress paths within the product shape. This imparts inherent strength and the durability not always achievable from alternative manufacturing processes, such as casting or cold press working. In a product which is safety critical, the Edge brand ensures maximum performance, which is demonstrated on our testing equipment. Random sample testing is carried out, and the loads applied and endured by our products are well in excess of the safe working loads specified in British Standard 1139. With the Edge brand, United Forge Masters offers the construction industry a complete range of high-performance fittings. They provide the solution to every access problem, large or small. Our own exacting standards afford our clients the confidence that the Edge product provides safety, strength and durability. Our production techniques are efficient in combining the traditional skills of our workforce with the ultimate in technology and equipment, and thus ensuring competitive pricing of a superior product. In short, value for money.